This is a hot lot. Sold on approval.
Car's arrived from Copart, so we've got damage on this corner, showing no fluid in the rad, and you can see the pipes are pushed against the engine, so it needs a slam panel on the front. Also needs the airbags on the dashboard and steering wheel, seat belts, and I think the back seat belts. Yeah, so 4 seat belt tensioners or seat belt kits, dashboard kit, and steering wheel airbag. Also there's a cover missing here, we'll have to buy that. Everything else looks pretty good. There's no other damage, but once I've cleaned it we'll know if there's anything else. Obviously the front bumper needs replacing. The wheels are all good. No dents I can see on the panels. There you go. Plan is to remove this bumper. So get that off. Undo all the clips. Should be a screw up here. So we'll open that up, pull this bumper off and see what the damage is behind there. So this is hanging off now. We've got clips on the top, 2 10mm, one 8mm up there and one 8mm on that side. And we have some of these plastic clips as well underneath and on the arch liner. So that's all you need to remove. And then this basically comes off. So that's the damage. We've got replacement AC rad, probably main radiator, bumper crash bar, support bar, and some of these plastic trims. So yeah, easy repair. Just unbolt that, take it off and replace. So strip off the wiring for the horn, undo these nuts here, and this will come off. So you can see the radiator is smashed. So that's broken off. So I filled it with water just to double check. So we're going to replace the 2 rads and the front panel. So we've got a replacement panel, radiator pack, slam panel. Comes with the fan, but I'll swap stuff over, keep the original one on this car. So this all will be taken out. So just recovering the gas at the minute from the AC. So the replacement slam panel's on. Just waiting for the crash bar to come in, and I can fit that onto here and secure it. But for now, all the hoses are connected. So I'm going to fill it up with water and just do a leak check, and check if the fan works. So the water's in, no leaks so far. We just check that engine goes up to temperature and the fan comes on. I'll get the regassing done after I've completed the front end. This is the progress. Front end's fitted, bumpers all on, lights all work, everything's lined up along here. And whilst I was at it, changed the oil, so I've given it an oil change. There's a new filter in here, so get this out, put a brand new filter in. Just going to change the spark plugs and top up the screen wash. Water level's fine now, heating works, and the only thing I've got to do is, if I just lower the bonnet, I'll show you. Is repair this crease on the front. So I'll repaint that, and I'll repaint this bumper. There's some areas. So that's the front. Now the next is to strip the airbags out.